Ni seweng ba sakanti ko Don Bosco Media Network ko niram chaksoa, ang Alicia A. Sangma, na simang na daling koborang ko para katinga. Katabi chungrang, Garo Hills ni NGO rang Asonge Jingjengata ni ko dakanga, William Nagar MDC ni Janab Kaman Motion ko Jegala, Dams ni Border Outpost rang ko Songna Cabinet ti kaangaha, Meghalaya Mental Health and Social Care Policy ko adog ni Cabinet rachakanga. Jugmuk pa koborang, Mongaba Salo Garo Hills ni NGO rang GSUCEC, GSMC, Gamak Achak Youth Welfare Society ni Arugapan rang, Nangrami Asonge Jingjengata ni ko, Wama Achakrang na customary law Arudingthang Mancha, Electoral Poll ko, Root Pe Dabi Donggapa ko, Jusukat Kujani Gaman GHADC ni Skangapa Session no GHADC Office ngaw, Jingjengata ni ko dakanga. NGO rang ni akana ni gata di Wama Achakrang na customary law ko unkana dabya, Root Tahachum, Indiumang ban political dulgaparang, taon nan Jusukat Kuja, Aruwamang ni dabya ni ko na chakija dongenga. GSU ni President Zilku Balgra N. Marak, Julmana Salgani na Jingjengata ni ko dakanggen ene parkatangha. GSMC ni spokesperson Ryan C.H. Moment, Aru Harbi Sangma, United Labour Union ni General Secretary, Wamang ni Achikrang na customary law aru dingthang electoral poll na tabianyo support kapachina Jilma ko mulanga.
Flaknan salnam mernaska tal kurgusku November wa chingi rim kanganio nokubay sol chimuk songaha negen chingi takme sukani manderanga parakani Garo Hills so dongi pa Garo Hills Autonomous District Council jian an chingin wa cham ni bidingo GCL separate electoral roll ko chinganang chumota nen ba chinga Jegala ni ko takangha session mijalni ni dalu na kangkang wa wani gisepo chingi takme sukanira ba chingi protest kanira dal sanungja kenal sanungja liba donga kugen nen ba chinga akan tagatanamka chingi dakme sukaniko ba chingi protest kaniko chingi mesok kaniko ino donging pa MDC rang sanungja china ndiba state ni ba china aru dengtang delgebrang genang warang ba haida chingi aganeniko kupatieniko chingi kumongniko kena temengen ne chinga bebera anga saksasan ongja andiba dengtang ino delgebrang genang jikai AYWS GSU FKGGP ramgagnang aro dingtang jerangan aba chingunin dakpainga chum anga saksasan ongja GSMC san ongja AYW san ongja diba dingtang delgebrang genang wamang takchiminga wandikin ba chinginang chumut kebarayara antangtangni simariko antangtangni nokjamrangko antangtangni maadei majongna antangtangni noguba degabana sugubarangna dakgemna chinga kenchakagnang chinga yakong ata chinga taong ba kumongi agnang kingkwa aro ikore don통자와 나우산 옹자와 안디바 강지바 chinga iko takang kugen chingni nangni kanide atik jat kemek dongi keba kaket kemekan eribaingma ya nakba ongatanyo kumong nang remaniko no milianiko mesokgen ba unity gnang strength gnang takbo namgen nimna ngadi sakan tikon ino dongi kepa Garo Hills susun ongjamaina dingtang irerong ba ongjamaina dingtang uci abri konan uksko dongbo ongjamaina gemuk sakan tikon ibaingma kumongani ko nenba milimna ching hai dakreminina nenba ngade sakan tikon molmolata angasan ongja tao dingtang kepa anchingni delgebarangoni bisung agananggen nasi mengumumni agana ko ba kupatiani ko ba moleni ko ba na chimchina batela
Munggul Barsalo, William Nagar MDC, Alphonsus Armarak ni Janab Kaman Motion ko GHADC rang Jegalanga. MDC Alphonsus Armarak ni Koborat Mungkaparang na agan metungo wani Janab Kaman Motion je ko NGO rang achkrang na customary law aro dingtang electoral poll na dabi tuwing achim wako Jegala ni gaman no plak mandirang ko wamang na chakhan gata mulanga ha.
Anga Zulmani Palo William Nagar MDC yongim na ya chango ba batangman session rango rabai nga kata motion ko rabataya chum jian separate electoral roll ko non tribal ang ko ya GHADC election no bar ka ani ko dakna ne motion ko mu ka bataya chum dakrong bai nga kata janganti session no motion ko ya ruling dispensation NPP led EC phangnan rachak chainga kata ya changba ya motion ko rachak thaijaha uni man ya motion ko rachak chaniara achak asungni mandirangni nangneke singengpa kamko chusukatna ane nangnekingpa ko jegalani onga uni man changa dalo ya motion ko rachak chani gaman blonge namnek bejani onga mukhamchi rachak chakin yerangko agana manjainga uni man changa chungi responsibility ko chunga rakinga chum kam kainga chum un baksana Garo ni nokma sodarang plug stakeholders rang na simangni molmolanio bianio ba didianio ba yakoba na simang ba blak pate dabiani ko dakpagin smo de motel begin
Meghalaya aro Assam adok damgni ni simarango songdongengpa mandirangna naljukani ko nagata damsni border outpost rangko songna cabinet ti kangaha Meghalaya adok ni skutung minister Conrad K Sangmani para katani gatade ya damsni border outpost rango ni damsa ko East Giant Hills ajani Muria po damgni ko West Giant Hills ajani Mukra ro Thiwe o damsa ko Ripoy ajani Rani Jirango aro damgatam border outpost ko de West Khasi Hills ajani Umwali Lejadubi aro Langpi o donna gata cabinet ti kangha Andaki ong ingon Atia Barrio police outpost damsa ko songe Patharam Kma aro Kershayo Donggapa police outpost rang ko police station na Radwats kana gata ba cabinet ti kangha anis kutung minister parkataha border outpost aro outpost rang ko songanyo khoros rang ni gamen Janaps ka ingon border outpost damprak na Bilsiprak ko gongkror gni mangko khoros kagen aro outpost damprak na gongkror sa point bunga mangko khoros khas kagen ine connect sangma parkataha.
So very good afternoon to everyone and welcome to the press conference. Today in the cabinet some important and critical decisions were taken. And the most important decision for today was the creation of different outposts in different sensitive locations of the state along the border areas. And the cabinet today has officially sanctioned and approved BOP for East Gente Hills in Muriap, in West Gente Hills in Mukro and TY BOP number 3. This is in West Gente Hills. In Ribhoy, in Rani Jirang, the BOP has been approved. In West Khasi Hills, in Umwali, number 2 in Lejadubi, and number 3 in Langpi. We have also decided that the outpost will be officially sanctioned for Athiabari. Also, we have decided that the upgradation of the outpost to full-fledged police stations will be done in Patarkama, number 1, and number 2 in Kershai, and number 2 in Kershai, and for outpost will also be upgraded. So these were the different locations where the BOPs have been sanctioned, and we will ensure that we swiftly act and ensure that the manpower is there in these different locations and required infrastructure also be created at the earliest.
Meghalaya mental health and social care policy ko adok ni cabinet Mongolbar sa lora chakangaha ya mental health and social care na India asungo policy ko kat kaparango ni Meghalaya adok katam kapaung inga ani adok ni skutung minister Conrad Sangma parakataha ya policy ko mongsong bate bisarang tal baing kaparang aro dambirang gisik ni gata ansing baljokanirang ko nan ni gamen chunga gata niro ke khamrang ko khaangna gata muksung era gataha Meghalaya adok ni health and family welfare minister James Sangma cabinet niya policy ko rachakani na kusiong bayani ko parakatangaha James Sangma ni parakatani gata de ya policy ara adok na namen kamchat pegpa aro nang chomot kapa unga gisik ni ansingani kamchatani ko ba James Sangma parakatang jolaha.
The approval of the Meghalaya mental health and social care policy. This of course is a very important policy and a subject which has been not given the kind of importance in the past that it should. And as a state and as a government, we strongly feel that mental health issues are usually neglected, and hence comprehensive policy was required to address this issue. I am happy to tell you that we are the third state in the country to have come out with this policy.
So I'm extremely privileged and happy to announce that the State Cabinet today passed the State Mental Health and Social Care Policy 2022. This is a policy which has been which was being developed for the past 1 year, and a lot of work and a lot of research consultations have gone into this, and today we have been able to bring this policy to the State Cabinet and pass this State Mental Health and Social Care Policy.
Yan dal na kobrong a, ni suwing pa sa kantikon metela.